Hey guys, it's Tanzania, aka Tanzy the Glow Up Guru, and in this video I'm going to show you my hair, and this will be part 2 of a 3 series, part 3, 1, 2, 3, yeah. So I'm going to teach you my Tanzy technique. It's called Tanzytechnique, and yeah. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment. I would appreciate it if you guys leave a comment with your thoughts, whatever. Just say hi, hello, something. Please. And then I want you to subscribe. There's a lot of you guys that are watching that are not subscribing. You're getting free content, but you're not helping a sister out. Go ahead, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. I love you guys. And hello to all my other, my older subscribers. Thank you guys for sticking with me. I've been very ill and I'm feeling better. So if my voice sounds like it's shot, it's because it is. I apologize. I didn't want to continue to not make YouTube videos. So yeah, it's been a while. But thank you guys for watching me. Alright guys, so a lot has happened since I made part 1. I changed the hair that I was using. The hair I was using was crap. I had gotten it off of Amazon. It's a different brand than what I normally get off of Amazon. And I will not leave a link to that. But I got this twisted up springy afro. See that? And it's by Latch. See that? For butterfly locks and distressed locks. And it is puffy. It's very puffy. Now the hair, you see that's this burgundy color. That's hair I got off of Amazon, but it's the good hair, not the bad hair. Bad hair, if you saw my part 1, it sucked. So I'm using this. I like it because it's pre-separated and pre-fluffed. Y'all can see that. So you just pull it apart and crochet it in. In part 1, how to put the bead onto your hair if it's short, and you can use the same method if it's long. But I'm gonna give you a close-up of my hair. Alright, so you take your bead. Also guys, this video was requested. People were asking me a lot about how to do the front. Basically you just sorry guys, my nail got broke a little bit. But anyway, so I'm gonna show you guys. What you do is, if you want like a part like that, you go in the middle of your head. I have a little widow's peak, and do 2, 1 on each side, 1 on each side, so it can look even. Then you go behind that one and place 2 more beads. And once you, and just keep going back, and then here's one to cover up the rest. It's like in the middle. So my part is this long. So I'm going to take this little piece of hair, and guys, do be careful when putting this hair in your head. Kind of pull it out a little bit, squish the bead in there. Let's see. But sometimes your beads will show. Now you see it. Now you don't. Just pull on it a little bit. See if it. See, you can barely see it. So I'm gonna show you once more. Open your little Microlink hook or a latch hook or crochet hook, whatever you want to call it. It's mini. Put your hair on it. And try and get the middle of the hair pull it through. Do not pull all the hair through. Basically, damn it, I keep talking, my bad. Trying to be quiet because I tend to ramble. Y'all don't mind, do you? I hope not. If you do, oh well. I'ma do me. I hope that, I think I might slow it down to show you guys. There's something in my head. I'm just gonna let y'all watch. Do my baby hairs, and then in part 3 I'll show you how to make your knot look so dang on poofy. So I got some edge control, booster, just thought I'd include this because it's gonna take some work for the next video to get it to look natural. I mean, it looks way natural, but the density looks a little unnatural in my opinion, even though people's hair can be that. I want this to be believable. And y'all get to see how I do my baby hairs. And guys, you can wash this like normal. Just don't use hot water because it is synthetic. And if you don't really have edges, you can pull out a little bit of the hair from the bead to make your edges. Excuse me. See? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please go ahead and go to part 1, and if you didn't see part 1, go look at that before you look at this video. And then for part 3, it'll be right after this video, so please go check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all be blessed. Remember, Jesus loves you, and I do too. Alright, y'all.